Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they will try to catch them unawares.
There's nothing better than a beach patrol, B2.
Especially on a warm, sunny day, B1.
It's so nice and peaceful.
So lovely and quiet.
Bananas!
Huh?
Where is it, Bananas? Have you seen it?
Sorry?
Seen what, Rat?
My hat! The wind blew it away. Oh, where could it be?
Right there!
Oh, my! Oh, there it goes! After it! Oh, catch it, Bananas! Don't come back, hat! Oh. I can't be Rat in the Hat without the hat! Oh, cheese and whiskers! I've got it! I've got it! Oh.
Don't worry, Rat.
We'll get it!
Huh?
I have you now! Oh, it's you! If you want to be the crab in the hat, you'll have to find your own hat. That's where you should be, on top of my head. Isn't that right, Bananas?
Pyjama-rific!
Thank you, Bananas. It does look good, even if I do say so myself. I'm over this way, Bananas. What are you looking at?
What's that, Rat?
We've never seen it before.
That? Oh, that's just an old beach shack.
I wonder how long it's been here.
Oh, far too long a time by the look of it.
What a great place to have a picnic.
And to play games.
And have a sleepover.
And to play more games.
But really, Bananas, just look at the state it's in. Oh, it needs an awful lot of repairs.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's fixing time!
Whoa, Bananas, where are you going?
We're going to get the teddies.
So they can help us fix this shack.
Oh, that's a good idea. But I have a better idea.
What's your idea, Rat?
We fix it ourselves and surprise the teddies.
The teddies love getting surprises.
And we love giving surprises.
And I love planning surprises. Come with me, Bananas. We have some surprising deeds to do. Before we begin fixing, we need a few things from my shop.
Then it's straight back and onto the job.
Hi, Bananas.
The teddies.
Hello, Rat.
What are you doing?
What will we tell them?
We can't tell them anything or we'll spoil the surprise.
Leave it to me, Bananas. Run!
Huh? Why did they do that?
I know why. So do I. They're up to something and they don't want to tell us. Which means we'd better find out what it is.
With my plan, Bananas, we'll fix this beach shack like no other beach shack has ever been fixed. Hurry it up, Bananas. This will be no ordinary beach shack. It will be a monument to my planning genius. This is no time to rest, Bananas. There's a lot to do, you know. Here's the plan, Bananas.
What's the plan of, Rat?
The beach shack, of course.
That beach shack?
Of course it's that beach shack. What other beach shack is there? Just follow the plan and we'll have a wonderful surprise for the teddies. Right, Bananas, I've done the planning. Now you can do the easy part, the fixing.
What will you do, Rat?
I'll do some napping. Oh, making plans is very exhausting, you know. Oh, this will do perfectly. Try not to make too much noise, Bananas.
We won't, Rat.
We'll be as quiet as we can.
Just follow the plan.
Let's do like Rat says, B2.
We'll follow the plan.
Pyjama!
Rithik.
Here it is!
Wow! It's the most wonderful beach shack we've ever seen, Rat. And the most fabulous surprise we've ever had.
And you're the most brilliant rat we've ever met.
Oh, thank you, Morgan. I won't try to deny it.
Rat's plan was amazing.
Very, very amazing.
You truly are a hero, Rat.
A hero? Rat the hero. Rat the hero.
Rat,
Hero.
Wake up, Rat.
we finished, Rat.
It's all done.
All done? Already?
You've been napping for hours.
Hours, you say?
We didn't want to wake you until we did it all.
Well, let's have a look then. Oh, a little messy. Oh, make that a lot messy. But it all seems to be here. Well done, Bananas.
It's all thanks to you, Rat.
And your plan?
Just like my dream. Let's have a look outside. Oh. Bananas? Where is it?
Where's what, Rat?
Well, the door. Where's the door?
Is there a door, B2?
Not that I can see, B1.
There's no door!
We did everything in your plan, Rat.
But there was no door in the plan.
Oh, there's no door in the plan. There's no door in the plan. We're trapped.
There must be a way out.
I know. We could push a wall down.
Oh, for goodness sake, B2. What a silly suggestion.
So what should we do?
Well, I know. We'll push a wall down.
Great plan, Rat.
You have so many good plans.
Just push when I say push.
Ready, Rat.
Push. 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 Push.
The Bananas and Rat aren't here. And they're not at the Bananas home either.
Or the park.
Then that just leaves...
The beach.
Push. 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 Push! 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 One more push will do it. You see, Bananas, it's all about making a plan and sticking to it. Now push when I say push. This wasn't in the plan. We have to get out of here. Oh, the walls are too strong to push over. We have to find another way.
What about the roof, Rat?
Could we get out that way?
Please don't interrupt, Bananas. I'm thinking. I've got it. We'll get out through the roof.
Banana-tastic.
Oh, cheese and whiskers.
They have to be here somewhere.
But where? Oh, hello.
Out there. What's out there?
Oh! How did they get out there? And what are they sitting on?
It looks like some sort of a house.
This is fun.
Fun? How can this be fun?
Our beach shack is now a houseboat.
We've always wanted a houseboat.
We're floating away, Bananas. We could float away forever.
We're not floating away, Rat.
We're not?
We're floating in.
Straight at those big rocks.
Big rocks! I don't like the look of this, Bananas. I don't like it at all.
What's your new plan, Rat?
Oh, yes. You always have a plan.
New plan? My new plan is... Don't shout loudly, Bananas!
Bananas!
Huh? It's the teddies!
To the rescue!
Grab the rope!
I can't climb a rope!
We'll pull you up.
Just grab it!
Oh, this really is too much! Oh, pull, Teddies, pull! Ugh.
We almost made a great surprise for you, teddies.
We're really sorry it didn't work out.
That's okay, Bananas.
It was very nice of you to try.
Rat helped too.
Yes, it was all his plan.
A plan? Did someone say a plan? I always have one. Who wants a plan? Oh, my hat! Oh, come back, hat!
Somehow I think we've had enough of Rat's plans for one day.
Oh, come back, hat! Oh, hat, do you hear me?
Yo-yos are fun, B2.
You're right, B1.
Will we try the trick?
Around the world.
Go, yo-yo! Pyjama-rific! We're getting better with our yo-yo trick.
Let's try it again. Oh.
We need new yo-yos, B2.
Where can we get them, B1? Think. Rat shop!
Silly putty. Or just the thing for the toy collection.
Hello, Rat!
Oh, Bananas! You gave me a surprise.
Sorry, Rat.
Huh? Oh, where did the silly putty go? Oh, cheese and whiskers.
We need new yo-yos, Rat.
Do you have any?
Yo-yos? You mean you're playing with yo-yos again? Oh, no.
You don't have to be scared of yo-yos, Rat.
Yo-yos are very safe.
I know yo-yos are very safe, except when certain bananas play with them.
What about these yo-yos, Rat?
Yes. Could we have them?
I'm sorry, Bananas. You can't have them.
Because they're for the bush babies.
Bush babies?
Little ones who live way out in the country and don't have any toys.
Little ones who don't have any toys.
That doesn't sound good.
Which is why we're collecting all these toys to send to them.
So, it's like giving out presents.
You've got the idea, Bananas.
Ooh, do you have a toy you want to give?
We sure do.
We'll be right back. Which toy would make the best present, B2?
I think...
There! Building blocks!
Banana-tastic!
We love playing with building blocks.
So the bush babies will love playing with them too.
We play with them all the time.
They're one of our favourite toys. Ow!
B2, if we give them away,
Then we can't play with them anymore.
they are our most favourite toy.
Back to the toy box.
We need a new toy to give,
Just as good as building blocks.
but not one that's our most favourite toy. Those!
Marbles!
Maybe marbles aren't the best toy.
Let's look again.
A sand bucket.
And a spade.
Pyjama-tastic! toys to give, B2.
Everyone loves making sandcastles
Just like we were going to do tomorrow.
down at the beach.
Making sandcastles?
At the beach,
If we give away our bucket and spade,
we won't be able to build sandcastles ourselves.
these are also one of our most favourite toys.
Maybe our most favourite toys.
And this time, when we pick a toy,
It's got to stay picked.
even if it is one of our favourite toys. Aha! We found the toy, B2!
It's just right, B1.
Our toy
train!
Let's get it to the toy collection.
A pajama-rific idea, B1. Oh, maybe we should pick up these marbles too.
Another pajama-rific idea, B2. This is our toy for the Bush Babies.
We're not going to change our mind.
It doesn't matter that we love it.
It doesn't matter that it's one of our very favourite toys.
It doesn't matter that it's our most favourite toy.
Or that we've had it since we were little bananas.
We can't do it, B2.
You're right, B1.
Whoop. Thank you, bananas.
Huh?
This toy train will be a wonderful present. I'm taking all the toys home to make sure they're nice and clean. They're off to the country tomorrow. Thanks for the train.
But
Oh!
we've got a big problem, B2.
We have so many favourite toys, B1.
It's hard to give any of them away.
Even though we do want to give away something.
What a fabulous toy for the bananas to give. It's very good of them.
Because the bananas do love that toy train.
And tomorrow the Bush Babies will love it too.
We'll never see our toy train again.
I feel sad to see it go.
I know. We'll give another toy to the Bush Babies.
Right, we'll do a swap. First, we have to get our train back.
And not let the teddies know.
Here's our chance, B1.
No teddies in sight, B2.
Huh? Our train!
It's not there.
Check carefully, B1.
Checking, B2. I can't see it.
I can't see it either.
Are any toys broken?
We'd hate it if we broke anything.
Everything's fine, bananas.
Not one single toy is broken.
Banana-tastic!
Here's your train, bananas.
Thank you, Lulu.
If you don't want to give it to the Bush Babies, then that's all right. We know how hard it is to give away a toy.
But you've got so many toys, bananas. Isn't there one you could give?
We just can't decide.
We have so many favourite toys.
They're all our favourites.
We love every one of them.
Everyone? Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's Let's Choose time!
What are the bananas going to do now? I never know what the bananas are going to do.
Bye-bye!
There go the toys.
I hope the children have as much fun with them as we did.
What you did was wonderful, bananas.
But it must have been so hard to give away all your toys.
Not really. When we couldn't choose which one toy to give away,
The only thing to do was to give all our toys away.
once we decided to do that,
It was easy.
But, now you don't have any toys left to play with yourselves.
But we soon will have.
to that rat in a hat!
What toys are they talking about?
Oh, could it be? Oh, no!
Don't do it, Bananas! Not the yo-yos!
I tried to talk them out of it, Teddies, but the bananas insisted.
It's all right, everyone.
We're really good at yo-yo tricks.
We'll show all of you how to go around the world.
Go yo-yo!
Around the world! Woo! Maybe we just need a little more practice. Just a little more.
Oh, bananas!
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they will try to catch them unawares.
We've got our bat, B1.
And we've got our ball, B2.
Now it's time to go out and play.
But who are we going to play with?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's playing with the teddies time.
Morning, Amy.
Hello, Bananas.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to put our new bird feeder up into the tree. But I just can't reach.
We'll help.
Thanks, Bananas.
Here you are, Amy. Here's the bird seed for the bird feeder. Amy, you put it up too high.
We'll lift you up.
Thanks, Bananas.
Our pleasure, Morgan.
I wish I was a lot taller.
How tall?
Tall like the bananas.
Why's that, Morgan?
If I was a tall teddy, I could do so much more than I can do now.
There are lots of good things about being small.
You can walk under branches.
And low-flying ducks.
And you can help us play with our new bat and ball.
You're right. Let's go, Amy.
Sorry, Morgan. I've still got gardening to do.
Oh, well then let's ask Lulu. Come on, Bananas.
On our way, Morgan.
Sometimes being tall isn't so good, B1.
Not good at all, B2.
Sorry, Bananas. I can't come and play till I finish making these muffins.
Yum!
Can someone please get the sultanas? They're on the top shelf in the pantry.
Sultana's coming up. Wait, I'll get the stepladder.
No need, Morgan. I'll get it.
Thanks, B1.
I'm not even tall enough to get things out of the cupboard.
Don't worry about it.
Come on, Morgan. Let's go and play.
Okay, then.
Good morning, Camembert.
Hello, Bananas. Morgan.
We're going to play in the park.
Would you like to come too?
Thank you, Bananas, but I'm off to do some bird watching with my new binoculars. See? Oh, look at that delicious apple.
I'll get it for you, Camembert. Oh, no, not tall enough again.
Never mind, Morgan. I'll just get it myself. Toodaloo.
Everyone's taller than me.
Hi, Bananas!
What are you doing?
We're off to the park to play.
Would you like to join us?
We could play Morgan in the middle.
Wow! How do you play that?
Well, I'll throw the ball,
And I'll hit the ball.
and you see if you can catch it. Ready? Go!
You're making it go too high.
You'll just have to grow taller, Morgan.
It's a silly game anyway. I don't want to play.
Morgan, where are you going?
Oh dear.
Morgan, come back.
We'll go and see what's wrong.
What's the matter, Morgan?
I don't want to be small anymore. I want to be tall like you.
You're a teddy, and teddies are never tall.
That's why they're so special.
I want to be tall. And I want to be tall now.
Where are you going this time?
To see Charlie. Maybe he can help.
I've been asked to invent lots of things before, but never a way to make someone taller.
You have to help me. I want to be tall, not small.
From small to tall. Now that's a tricky one. We could wait for you to grow.
No, that's too slow. I want to be tall now.
Now? That's even trickier.
I know. Maybe you could stretch me.
You mean a stretching machine?
Do you think you can do it?
Well...
Please, Charlie, please.
Well, what do you think?
It's amazing, I think. How does it work?
I strap you in and turn the handle and you'll be tall in no time. Hop aboard.
Maybe we should give it a test run first.
Good thinking, Morgan. This old rubber tire tube will be just the thing. Now watch. I'll wind the handle just like this.
Wow! Look at how it stretches. If that was me, I'd be really tall by now.
I think that's stretched it enough.
No, let's stretch it just a little bit more. If I'm going to be tall, I want to be really tall.
Perhaps just one more turn.
There! Now, one more for luck.
I'm not sure that last turn was a good idea, Morgan.
What's happening? What should we do? Sorry, Charlie.
Not to worry, Morgan. But I think we should forget the idea of a stretching machine.
Yeah.
Come on. We'd better find that old tube.
What a marvellous day for a stroll. And what simply delicious-looking apples. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Cheese and whiskers. Oh, it's raining apples.
Rat, are you all right?
Oh, fine, dear boy. Nothing that a nice, crisp apple won't fix.
Well, Morgan, it looks like we've invented a new way to pick apples.
If a stretching machine can't make me taller, Charlie, then what can?
I don't know.
Hello, Charlie.
Hello, Morgan.
Hi, Bananas.
How can I help you, Bananas?
We'd like to borrow your ladder, please.
We want to clean our upstairs windows.
Help yourselves, Bananas.
Thanks, Charlie.
I wish there was a way I could be as tall as a ladder.
Now that gives me an idea.
We've got our soapy water,
And our cleaning sponges.
everything we need to make our windows sparkly clean.
Hi, Bananas. Do you need a hand?
Morgan,
How's the weather down there?
Look at you.
you're so
Tall!
They're my new stilts. Charlie made them for me. Now I'll never have to be small again. Can I help wash your windows?
Thanks, Morgan. Here's the bucket.
And here's the ladder.
You don't need a ladder when you're as tall as me.
Look out, B1.
He's going to fall, B2.
Don't worry.
We'll catch you.
Morgan.
I'm okay, but my stilts don't work either. It doesn't matter what I do, I'll never be tall.
Help! Help!
Camembert.
What's wrong?
No time to explain. Hurry!
Wait for me!
A baby bird fell out of its nest and down between those rocks. Now it can't get out.
Oh, no. We're too big to fit. What can we do?
We'll have to shift these rocks.
How?
With a tractor.
Right. But we don't have a tractor.
We'll have to find someone who can fit between the rocks.
I can easily get down there. Don't worry, I'll get you, baby.
Be careful, Morgan.
Everything's fine. Here we are. My pleasure, Mother Bird.
Great work, Morgan.
I think this calls for a celebration. Here's to Morgan, the hero of the day.
Hooray for Morgan!
Thanks, everyone.
But you know one thing, Morgan?
You couldn't have saved that bird if you were tall.
Maybe being small's not so bad after all.
Maybe, but I wish I could at least be tall enough to play Morgan in the middle.
Maybe you can.
How?
A bat for Pedro and a ball for Topsy.
But B1,
Morgan's too small to catch the ball.
Not anymore, he's not.
Hi, Topsy. Hi, Pedro. Ready to play whenever you are.
Let's go, everyone. It's Morgan in the middle time.
Okay, Topsy, throw whenever you like. Got it.
Great work, partner.
Right, Pedro. Let's see you hit it over me now. Got it again.
Hooray!
Who needs to be tall when you have friends like the bananas?
Careful, Morgan.
Keep steady, Morgan.
I
Can't hold on.
I'll save you.
is everyone okay?
Somebody say something.
We might be tall,
And I might be small,
but we all have pajama-tastic fun.
Another flag, please, Bananas.
Another flag it is.
Coming up, Charlie.
This is such a great idea for We Love Cuddlestown Day.
Having everyone decorate their homes.
It's pajama-rific.
I'm glad you like it, Bananas.
Oh, hello, Birdie.
Do you like Charlie's flags too?
What sort of decorating will be on your home, Bananas?
We haven't decided yet.
We wanted to help you first.
You've helped me lots, Bananas. You should start working on your own house now.
Will do, Charlie.
Bye, Bananas.
Look at that. Bring back that flag, Bird. Oh! Oh well. I guess one less flag won't make that much of a difference.
Hi, Bananas!
Hello, Topsy.
Bye, Topsy.
Hey, what's the big rush?
We're going home.
So we can decorate it for the We Love Cuddlestown Day.
Hey, don't forget you also promised to help me with my house.
We did?
Oh, we did. Of course we'll help you.
Right away.
Thanks, Bananas.
This sparkly tinsel is banana-tastic.
And it makes your home look banana-tastic too, Topsy.
We just need a little more and we'll be finished.
It's you again.
What did you do with Charlie's flag?
Now you're taking some tinsel.
Come back here with that. Oh. I guess one less bit of tinsel won't matter.
Bananas!
Hi, Bernard.
Bananas, you're going the wrong way.
We are, Bernard.
You said you'd help me decorate my house, which is this way. Oh, I do love balloons.
So do we.
Keep those balloons coming, Bananas.
No problem, Bernard. do I see?
I do see who you see.
What do you think she wants now? She's taking a balloon!
Give that back!
Whoa! Grab it! Oh, well. I guess one less balloon won't make that much of a difference. We've really got to hurry now.
Oh, we'll never get to decorate our house.
We've helped all our friends.
Everyone but Rat and the Teddies.
Did we promise to help Rat and the Teddies too?
We did promise to help Rat and the Teddies. Oh.
Thank you, Bananas. What would I do without you? Well, these paper lanterns you've helped me put up are perfect.
They are very pretty.
We like them a lot.
What makes them extra special is the super big light in each lantern. Do you want to see them turned on?
Yes, please, Rat.
Let there be light!
Woohoo!
You can see my shop from outer space. I'm a rat, I'm a rat, I'm a clever, clever rat.
Not you again.
Now what are you after?
Hey, that bird is taking my lantern.
Stop!
Look out, Bananas! Oh, cheese and whiskers.
You say the bird keeps taking things, Bananas?
Well, she's taken a flag and some tinsel.
And a balloon and a paper lantern.
Has the bird taken any of your decorations?
We haven't been able to decorate our home yet.
We've been too busy helping our friends.
You've helped us enough, Bananas.
Just like always.
You should go and decorate your place now.
Thanks, Teddies.
Bye, Bananas.
Bananas, is that the bird?
That's the bird. Now she's taking fairy lights.
Stop, bird! Stop!
Oh, watch where you're going, Bananas.
Bananas! Now we can decorate our home, B2. We're going to decorate with something that no one else has used.
Flowers!
Our flowers.
They're gone!
Someone's picked them.
Who would do that? You!
You're not getting away this time.
Bring back our flowers!
Where did she go?
We've lost her! We have to think, B1.
Thinking it is, B2. But how do you follow a bird?
When you can't fly like a bird.
We can't think, B2.
Not with that bird tweeting.
Tweeting?
The bird!
She must be up there. What's that?
I don't know, but it's coming down. Oh no!
It's a baby bird.
He's fallen from his nest.
Are you all right?
Where's your mother, little bird?
It's you! We'll talk later about those things you took.
But first we'll put your baby back in the nest. All the way up there.
Oh.
I wonder how the Bananas are decorating their home.
I can't wait to see what they've done.
They've done nothing.
I think the Bananas are going to need some help.
Well, they did help us.
So it's only fair that we should help them.
I'll take the baby bird now, B1.
Baby bird to you, B2. The nest can't be too far away.
We're almost at the top.
We did it.
We're at the top. It's all the decorations.
So that's why you took them.
You wanted to decorate your nest.
Like everyone in Cuddlestown is doing with their houses. Now that we know that,
You can keep it all. It's okay, Mrs. Bird. We haven't forgotten.
now you stay with your mother.
And don't try and fly again.
Not until you're strong enough. Just look at this view, B2.
Ah, it's fantastic.
You can see all of Cuddlestown from up here.
And look!
You can see all our friends too.
This has to be the best view ever.
Except for one thing, B2.
What's that, B1?
Our house will be the only one with no decorations.
Then we'd better do something. And fast.
What's happened to our home?
Where did all these decorations come from?
We saw that you hadn't decorated your house, so we decided to help.
Since you helped decorate our homes, we thought we should do the same for you.
You, do like it, don't you, Bananas?
Did we do the right thing?
It's banana-tastic! And now we've got a surprise for you.
But we need your help, Bernard.
Of course, Bananas. You can have anything you need.
Then follow us, everyone.
Get ready, everyone.
For the best sight you'll ever see.
Wow! It's brilliant!
You can see all our decorations.
I must say the balloons around my house do look very pretty.
I like my flags too.
And I just love my lanterns.
You see? This way we get to see all our decorations.
And all of Cuddlestown.
What do you think, Birdie? She likes it.
And we couldn't agree more.
Couldn't agree more with what?
We love Cuddlestown.
Hooray!